Alright, this is Delta Airlines. It's a 757-200 going to Atlanta. And that's touch grass. Doing
no, voice on. So if you like this, hit that like button.
That's not the subscribe button. Also, watch you sleeping.
Please do that. And don't. He's not gonna watch you sleep.
Now that's my food.
And we have two departures coming.
There's a JetBlue It's gonna be departure. It's going to New York. And it is Airbus A320-232.
Clear for takeoff. Delta Airlines 757.
So Delta's gonna check out.
What snacks do you think they have on that airplane?
Huh?
What type of snacks do you think they have on the airplane?
Probably some good ones. I mean, it's only a 2-hour flight, so it's not gonna be nothing much.
Yeah.
I don't think. All right,
That's what it said. The JetBlue Airways is taking off. It's going to New York.
wait, New York JFK?
It's an Airbus A320.
Matthew, is it JFK or Newark?
It is New York.
It's 757 taking off for Atlanta.
It's an Airbus A320. 232. JetBlue taking off. Staying with the
Stand with the 757 people. Stand with the 757.
I'm staying with JetBlue one of my faves.
Look at that. Look at that beauty taking off.
Look at the smoke.
Woo! Alright, going to JetBlue now. As it's going onto the runway right now. The arrivals aren't so busy right now. We're getting the departures.
Take them all. Take that into Washington, guys. So you can see it.
And that's from this guy's mouth right there.
So
And
yeah.
I have you so big right now.
Alright,
I'm going to the JetBlue. I'm going to the JetBlue. Alright.
Do that. Louder than my dog barking. Oh, you are making it so big. That sound right there that you just heard, that's pure amazingness. And if you want to hear more of that, you better smash that like button and the subscribe button so you can see more of that. Putting out how to work into these videos.
Alright, this will be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. See you guys in the next one. Peace.